Nichols, and today I will be teaching about fractions, how to add, subtract, multiply, and divide them. Here on the board, I have 5/6 and 1/3. First, you want to find the common multiple of your denominators, 6 and 3. The common multiple is 6. Next, you want to multiply 3 by 2 to get a common multiple of 6. But you also have to multiply 1 by 2, which gives you 2. Now you have 5/6 and 2/6, which is 7/6. This is an improper fraction. 6 goes into 7 one time with 1 remaining and 6 still as your denominator. This is called a mixed number. Next, we will be subtracting fractions. For this one, I use the crisscross method. So, the crisscross, you have 2/4 subtracting 2/6. The crisscross method, you do 2 times 6, which gives you an answer of 12. Next, you do 4 times 2, which gives you an answer of 8. Then, you do 4 times 6, which gives you a denominator of 24. Now you have 12/24 and 8/24. 12 minus 8 gives you 4, and your denominator stays the same, which is 4/24. But this can be reduced. You divide 4 and 24 both by 4/4, which gives you an answer 1/6, which is your reduced answer. Next, we will be multiplying fractions. This is very simple. I have 1/2 times 3/7. When you are multiplying fractions, you just multiply straight across. So, 1 times 3 gives you 3, and 2 times 7 gives you 14. Simple. This cannot be reduced, so this is your answer. If you have a word problem, the word problem is a recipe for chocolate chip cookies calls for 3/4 of chocolate chips. You are making half of the recipe. So, 3/4 of chocolate chips multiplied by half of the recipe, and you still multiply straight across. You use the same concept. So 3 times 1 is 3, and 4/2 is 8. So you will need 3/8 cups of chocolate chips. Last we are dividing fractions. This is a little more complicated. We have 10/15 divided by 4/5. Next you want to find the reciprocal. But a reciprocal is the fraction flipped. So, you have 4/5. You switch the numerator and denominator. So now your new numerator is 5 and your new denominator is 4. So 10/15 times 5/4 is your new problem. For dividing fractions, make sure that after you flip the reciprocal, your problem is now multiplication problem. Your problem is now a multiplication problem. So remember that, because if you still divide, your answer will be wrong. So now you have 10/15 times 5/4. which gives you an answer of 50 over 60. But these two can be reduced. They can both be divided by 10. So 50 divided by 10 gives you 5, and 60 divided by 6 gives you 60 divided by 10 gives you 6. And that is the end of the lesson.